Before you make the decision to buy INT ENT, there are 7 key things you need to know that could change how you view this product compared to others on the market. If you're on the fence or simply want to make sure you're getting the best value for your investment, stick around till the end. Trust me, there are some surprises you'll want to hear about. Let's dive right in. First off, if you're looking for a product that integrates seamlessly into your current workflow, INT ENT stands out. Unlike some of its competitors, it focuses on providing real-time results, with an intuitive interface that doesn't require a steep learning curve. While other products can be overly complicated, INT ENT prides itself on simplicity without sacrificing power. Next thing, let's talk about customization. One thing I really appreciate about INT ENT is the level of control it gives users over how the system works. Unlike competitors that lock you into preset configurations, INT ENT allows you to adjust settings to suit your unique needs. Whether you're customizing workflows or creating templates, the product adapts to you, not the other way around. The third thing you should know is that INT ENT offers unparalleled customer support. While other platforms often leave you hanging with generic responses, INT ENT provides tailored support that's available at all hours. I've personally reached out for help on multiple occasions, and I can say that their team is both responsive and knowledgeable. This is a massive bonus for those who need reliable assistance without the long wait times you might get from other companies. Now, here's something that sets INT ENT apart from the crowd: the data analysis features. If you care about insights, this product really delivers. The analytical tools are robust and easy to use, letting you track performance in ways that go beyond the standard metrics. Competitors might give you basic reports, but INT ENT lets you dig deeper into the data, offering you an advantage in decision-making. Next, let's touch on pricing. When it comes to the cost of INT ENT, you might think it's on the high end compared to alternatives, but here's the kicker: the value it offers makes that price tag worth every penny. With INT ENT, you're not just buying software, you're investing in tools that pay dividends in time saved and efficiency gained. Plus, if you use the link in the description, you'll get access to a completely free trial, which is an offer competitors don't often give. The sixth thing you should know is about integration. INT ENT plays nicely with a wide range of third-party tools. This is a huge advantage because it means you don't have to overhaul your existing setup just to make the product work. Whether it's email platforms, CRM tools, or other key software, INT ENT integrates effortlessly, saving you time on tedious setup tasks. The seventh and final thing to know is the long-term value. Some products might look good initially, but fail to grow with your needs. INT ENT is built to scale. As your needs change, the product evolves, giving you continued value without the need for constant upgrades or switching to a new solution. With a future-proof design and regular updates, INT ENT is a product that will stay relevant for the long haul. If you're on the fence about INT ENT, remember that you can try it for free through the first link below. And when you do, you'll not only get the best trial offer, but you'll also unlock exclusive benefits that you won't get anywhere else. Trust me, if you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and user-friendly tool, this is your go-to. So, click that first link in the description and get started with INT ENT today.